Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn some idioms with examples, and will use in real conversation. So without any further delay, let's get started. These are the idioms we will use in real life conversation. In the name of. Meaning, for the sake of, by the authority of. Example. Some people commit crimes in the name of religion. Some people commit crimes in the name of religion. In fault. Meaning, responsible for a mistake or wrongdoing. Example. The driver was in fault for the accident because he ran a red light. The driver was in fault for the accident because he ran a red light. In hand. Meaning, under control, being dealt with. Example. Don't worry, the situation is in hand, and we're taking steps to resolve it. Don't worry, the situation is in hand, and we're taking steps to resolve it. In name only. Meaning, only nominally, existing only in name but not in reality. Example. He was the leader in name only, as all the decisions were made by his advisor. He was the leader in name only, as all the decisions were made by his advisor. In the twinkling of an eye. Meaning, very quickly, in an instant. Example. The thief disappeared in the twinkling of an eye. The thief disappeared in the twinkling of an eye. In the name of justice, young Tom took on the role of the town's protector. Though brave, he often felt in fault for not being strong enough. One day, he found a magical sword in hand, promising great power. However, it seemed to be powerful in name only, as nothing happened when he swung it. But then, in the twinkling of an eye, the sword glowed brightly, and Tom felt a surge of strength, ready to protect his town for real. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then please like and subscribe my channel.